Hey, what is up, lawn care community? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. Hey, real quick guys, I wanted to say thank you to all my subscribers and people who like watching my videos. We're all growing together in the lawn care community and here on YouTube at the same time. So, shout out to the big channels that look out for the little guy, and shout out to the little guy too, because that's me. I know what it's like to start on YouTube and get going with views and trying to figure out the algorithm and whatnot. But anyways, guys, thanks a lot. It's taken me, a little bit to upload some videos because, I've been working. It's one of those crazy things, where you actually have to do the job and you can't just make videos all day long. Because, man, when it is crunch time and you're working a labor job, as you can see, I have no eye contact with my video because I'm driving up to the lawn right now. But, I know channels, guys like Wyatt's Lawn Service. I know he was feeling my pain. The upload schedule, man, you just, you got to be on top of the upload schedule. Right now I'm making the video. I'm, reversing my trailer in my client's driveway. It's a no outlet road, So sometimes you just can't make a video. Okay? So that's the way it goes. But hey, guys, I'm going to have a mowing vlog here for you. We'll get some stripes popping. It's good to see you again.
Love